Hello everyone, this is THANIBA from Traders Trade Academy. Today I've got only two pieces of advice. Advice number one is to practice. If you're a trader and your trading hasn't come right yet, I just suggest that you practice. Just like in any other field, practice makes perfect. So within trading as well, you're just gonna give yourself time to practice. I prefer to do it all day, every day, and then you just practice. The second piece of advice that I suggest that you get yourself as well, a method that you're gonna use while trading. It's important to get a reliable method that you're gonna use, because that's how you're gonna be checking your progress, how far you would have gone within that information, within that method. So it's very important that you have a reliable method that you're gonna be using while settling the markets. But yeah, it's just practice and having a method that really works. So those are the two pieces of advice that I wanted to share with you today. So yeah, man, practice.